What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to PitaChew. So, today we are having some... Let me start over. Everything here is vegan. Okay, we have blueberry waffles. We also have some egg omelet with pico de gallo. And then I made some desserts. These are the what do you call those wrappers? The lumpia wrappers. And the fillings are brown sugar and ripe bananas. And I coated up with some powdered sugar. And of course, we have some hash browns. All right, you guys, let's get started. Let's start with this. The omelet. Look at that. This is from a company called Just Eggs. Go ahead. Take a bite. Oh, that's hot. But good. And we have some green tea. Blue muffin. Let's add some syrup. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, that's enough. I don't want to get too carried away. You know what, let me get I'll be back. I need a little saucer thing to catch my food. All right, where was I? Muffin. Waffle. I hope everyone is having a good time. Why do I keep saying that? A good time. What I meant to say is I hope everyone's okay, right? Yeah. Oh, that's good. One thing about the maple syrup that I have to get used to, well, not get used to, I already am used to it, is that it's very runny. So I'm used to, what do you call those fake, what do you call pancake syrup, right? When it's so thick and slow pouring and stuff. But one thing when I notice about the maple syrup, it's that it's very runny. I'm actually having a very late breakfast. It is actually, what, in the afternoon. But you can have breakfast anytime of the day. Okay, let's get some ranch going on. I love ranch. That's good. Let's try the bananas. Ooh. Tastes like a banana. You know what? Next time I'm going to double the wrapper so that it gets crispier. Because right now it's not. It's kind of a little bit soggy. Still good though. I need my ranch. Ooh. Here, try it with ranch. You'll love it. You guys, I still have that hot sauce that I ordered. I don't know when or what to eat it with, but it's still over here, sitting on my shelf. From the company called Pucker Bud. Pucker Bud. Okay. Come on. Yeah, this is definitely needs 2 layers of the egg roll wrapper just to give it a crunch. Whew. That was a very simple breakfast. That's it. All right, you guys. Thank you for joining me for lunch, breakfast, or dinner. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Click on that bell so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. Till next time, I'll see you guys soon. All right? Oh, 5, 2. Oh, excuse me.